Me love me farming from evening till a morning. Families and friends. You know it's Rastafari, so it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. And I wanted to, share this beautiful, beautiful moment here with you. As you see these beautiful purple flowers looking thing. And these are, one of my proudest moment right here because due to the COVID-19, a lot of people requested these plants from me, as you see. And I have them available right now. I'm going to show you a bigger patch right here. Right now, it's just a beautiful, beautiful sight to see. If you're wondering what these are, ladies and gentlemen, this is Vervain. This is a good immune builder. Now, the reason why I'm so proud of these Vervain, ladies and gentlemen, a year ago I didn't have any in my yard. And what I did, I actually went and I found some. And when I found the Vervain, I had to, I pulled up some of the small suckers and I planted them. And right now, I'm telling you, I'm very, very proud. Very proud of this Vervain patch that I have created. Yaganti. So, it's not about really how much you plant. It's just about the fact that you plant. Yaganti. Just about the fact that you plant. Families and friends, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, Rastafari soldier again. Yeah, this time I'm showing you some beautiful, beautiful vervain. These vervain here are immune builder. Building your immune system, giving you a strong core, and it's a delicious tea. So if you want to get some of this vervain from me, just link me up 954-245-5180. A lot of people on the channel always saying, I should give out a number. So here's the number, 954-245-5180. Yeah, I know I'll be getting a lot of calls from scammers. I'm not bother with it, because Rasta don't have nothing to give them. What I'm doing is I'm teaching my people about some delicious and healthy plants. These vervain are they're just loving the location that I put them. Believe it or not, these were planted less than a year ago. So if you want some vervain plant, ladies and gentlemen, give the Rastaman a chant. 954-245-5180. Call up the Crocus Bag Farmer so I can be your hero. I'll send it to you wherever in the world you are. And I do have the Crocus Bag Farmer apparel, ladies and gentlemen. If you want any shirts for what it's worth, hats, head wraps, give me a call. 954-245-5180. Yes, the Crocus Bag Farmer will be your hero, Rastafari soldier. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you like to hear about plants. Right now, I'm showing you the beautiful, beautiful vervain. Vervain could be used as a flower, could be used as a drink, a tea. It builds the immune system, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to be strong and you want your inside core to be strong, go ahead, link me up. Vervain is a great, delicious tea to help accomplish that mission. I'm Rastafari soldier. Yeah, that's Vervain, ladies and gentlemen. I just see I got a nice patch going here. And it's less than a year that I actually started planting them. Nice patch. Give me a call and you can get some. Yes, I'm a butterfly them. Love to come pitch pan them ram goat dash alarm right there. These are a little bit yellow, so it seems like so when the lawn man come, I'm kinda disturb my plant. You know, by whopping it. Look at this beautiful, beautiful ginger tree coming. And like I said, I planted them last year and them just coming back. But what I'm concentrating on is showing you the vervain in my patch right now. This is on the side of the yard. So link me up, people. I got them in plants I could put them in pots and get them to you. Yeah. Because I'm telling you, one of the best tea for you right now. Yeah, Vervain. I have a couple of them still in us, so don't feel like say it's just a look at one patch. So just wanted to give you a little touch on the Vervain. See them right there, so. So me have more right here, so. Decent patch of Vervain me have. And then me have some more up here, so. Just reap and harvest the pine. I just be have some more little pine sucker. I'm gonna have to go in here so and weed out after a while, cause I've been neglecting it. Yeah. Been neglecting it. Yeah. Me have all my aloe in here, so I have to go in here so and go weed out. Me have all the next pine tree in here, so. Well, sometimes you need to have them in the bushes. You're looking and you see some herbs growing up here. You wonder what that is, that pink thing. That's a strong buck. Yeah, desmanium incanium. That's him right there. Yeah. And the family there, bug, yeah, so. Him always and yam up all of my plant them. Go away. Guarantee. That's all them do is come in and me think or eat. But again, I concentrate on the Vervain. More if you get this Vervain in your brain, if you overstand want to identify it. And if you want it, just call me. I have it dry, green, and I have the plant. You guarantee I have everything what you want. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer, I tell you. Yeah, Vervain me I talk about right now. Bless up yourself, subscribe, like, and share for me, people. Because I love my farming. Yeah. From evening till morning. You guarantee. People them who no farm I go suffer and perish, people. You guarantee. Me love my farming from evening till morning. I just hear I'm in the city right now, so I farm everywhere me go, people. Me no care. Country, town, city, in the house, in the air, and in the ground. So link up so the thing can think up. I'm Rastafari, so yeah. The Crocus Bag Farmer, 954-245-5180. And like me I tell the same people, we have the gear them, We have the head wraps, we have the hats, we have the gears. I guarantee we have the shirts them. Link me up and get them. Wear it proud as a farmer man, as an island man, as a countryman, as a Jamaican. Real Rasta man. The Crocus Bag Farmer, Rastafari soldier. Link up so the thing can think up. That we not play with it this year. Yeah. Money after make. Because Rasta man done reach the heights of great men, so it's time to be kept. Link up.